Hi guys, so in this video, I'm gonna share to you how to update your payment method since Google AdSense emailed me last December 4, 2023 and then sabi dito, update your information to get paid. Your payments might be on hold for one or more of the following reasons. So on the first video, pinakita ko sa inyo yung pag-update ng tax information nyo. So in this video, sa payment naman tayo. Click nyo lang tong sign in and then ida-direct kayo nito sa Google AdSense account nyo. So kindly sign in there. Ito na yun. And then may lalabas dito na your YouTube payments are on hold as you've account issues to fix. Action natin. And then update lang natin to. And then sabi dito, add payment method. After this, ito yung lalabas, add new wire transfer details or add new check details. So click natin to since wire transfer tayo. And then ilagay natin dito yung kung ano yung card na gagamitin natin, name on bank account, bank name, Swift BIC account number. So fill upan nyo lang to according sa card na gagamitin nyo. And dapat transferable siya sa international. So everything should match and dapat correct yung paglagay nyo. Bale, name of account, lagay ko lang yung mga information ko. Ang gagamitin ko dito ay China Bank. And then yung Swift BIC, search na lang natin sa Google. So ito yung lumalabas. Copy-paste lang natin. And then account number. This one, hindi nyo to makikita sa card nyo. Pero makikita nyo to sa mga deposit receipt nyo. By the way, yung Swift BIC, kung gusto nyo maging sure at ayaw nyo i-google, itawag nyo na lang din sa bank nyo para malaman nyo kung tama talaga yung i-enter nyo. Save lang natin to. After that, dito na kayo mapupunta sa page na to, sa payment accounts nyo. And then, naka-save na dito yung bank account nyo. Makikita nyo dito how you get paid, yung name nyo, and yung number ng bank account na in-enter nyo. So that's it guys. I hope you learned something in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye!